In this video, I will tell you 4 tips that you must know before taking the Korean subway and interesting facts about the Korean subway station. There are also useful tips to get on the subway cheaply, so please watch the video until the end. Remember the colors when you use the Korean subway. This is a map of the Seoul subway. Each line has its own color. If you look at the color displayed at the subway station, you can quickly tell which line it is. In addition, this color is displayed all over the subway transfer station to guide you, so you can easily find your way. Let me give you an example. This is the way to get to Daelim Station, line 7, from Isu Station, line 4 and 7. If you stand all over Isu Station and follow the Kaki line, which means line 7, you can take line 7. Then you can easily get to Daelim Station on line 7. There are seats in the Korean subway that you can't sit even if they are empty. First, handicapped seating. Korean subways have seats for the disabled, the elderly, pregnant women, and infant companions. It is usually located at both ends of the train and there is a sign like this. This seat has a culture of leaving empty for the elderly and the weak even on a packed subway. If someone who is not applicable sits here, you can receive bad attention from people around him or her. Second, pregnant women's seats. Pregnant women can sit in the handicapped seating described above, but there are more dedicated seats. This is a pregnant woman's seat at the end of the seat. It's marked in striking pink. If you are in the pregnant woman's seat, please give up your seat when you meet a passenger wearing a maternity badge. 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. is the common commuting time in Korea. The train is very crowded at this time because there are more subway passengers than usual. There's also a nickname for the subway at this time. It's the Jiokchodel. It means that the inside of the subway, where there are too many people, is like hell. It's hard to move my body. It's hard to breathe in hot summer. You can feel the high population density of Seoul with 16,364 people per square kilometer. I recommend avoiding using the subway at this time. If you are going to use public transportation during your trip to Korea, make sure to buy a T-Money card. T-Money cards are rechargeable transportation cards that can be used in subways, buses, and taxis. T-Money cards can be purchased and charged where the T-Money mark is attached. T-Money cards are sold at card vending machines or convenience stores inside the subway station, and you can charge them right after purchasing them. If you use a T-Money card, transportation costs are cheaper than cash payments. In particular, you can save a lot of transportation costs because you can transfer free of charge between the subway and the bus. T-Money cards can be easily charged at ticket machines in subway stations. The charger supports English, Japanese, and Chinese, so you can use it even if you don't know Korean well. Follow the instructions and pictures on the screen. Make sure you take your change.
Of 1,000 yen. Please enter your amount to continue. Please wait until the loading is complete. Please remove the card once the loading is complete. The loading has been completed. Take the traffic card and change.
Most subway stations are equipped with screen doors to prevent safety accidents and prevent dust from the tracks. Also, most subway stations have air purifiers. Most of the people who clean in the subway station are women. Therefore, women often clean men's toilets. If there is a sign like this in front of the bathroom, the woman is cleaning, so men, don't be surprised. Most subway stations have convenience stores, and there are also subway stations with bakeries, coffee shops, and restaurants. There are also places that sell clothes, accessories, and cosmetics. There is a locker at the subway station where you can store your luggage. The usage fee varies depending on the size, but the fee for the large size to store the trunk is 4,001 for the basic hours. There is also a subway station with a private warehouse. Users can store items for about 80,000 won a month for each cabinet. There is also a subway station with an electric wheelchair, or a machine that can charge your cell phone, a machine that can take ID pictures, a smart library where you can borrow books, and a bicycle. If you visit Korea, please see what is in the subway station. How is the subway in your country? I wonder. Please leave it in the comments.